Well, everybody writing on it, yes, sir? Usually we're going to do this block, right? All the way over your head. But what if somebody's trying to hit you to the ribs? Is this block going to help you not to get hit to the ribs? That's wide open. I can hit me everywhere. But instead, you're going to just move your sword a little bit to the side, like a triangle, right? Who knows what a pendulum is? A pendulum. It's like, there are some clocks, they're called grandfather clock. That was funny name for you guys. But it has a pendulum right at the bottom. It just goes back and forth. Right? It's like, it's a box, and then the clock is on the top. That right there is a pendulum. Yes, it's usually, it's golden colored, but I think it's brass. And it's cheaper, but I'm pretty sure they make it out of gold too. Now, right here, we're going to do the same thing. Which means that the tip is going to say right here. Mr. Jinser, if you stand actually in front of me, you would like to always point your tip at your opponent. So if it's right here, and so from here, I keep pointing my tip at the opponent, but I pendulum back and forth with the sword. So let's say Mr. Jim is trying to hit me to the ribs right here. My sword is still pointing at it. Now he's going to the other side. And I'm just going to turn, and hopefully I still point my sword at him. Understood? Everybody, please stand up. Good. Now, let's draw our first sword first. Who remembers what it means to hold your sword in the right hand? Raise your hand if you know. Yes, man. What is it? Peace. You're not fighting. So when you're getting ready to spar, you switch to your left hand. This right here, that ring, is the hand guard. Make sure you hold under the hand guard. You're holding the blade with your left hand. The real sword has a case, so you are going to